right, if you're tuning in for number 4, then you probably are needing help on this problem. Let's read it together. Kim ordered a box of 24 cupcakes for her birthday party. 2/3 of the cupcakes have sprinkles. How many cupcakes have sprinkles? Okay, so let me go back and think about what the question's asking me. How many cupcakes have sprinkles? So we do have Kim in the story. So we have Kim and she's got something. So it's probably a good idea for me to use a window pane. I'm going to read this question again so I have a better understanding. Kim ordered a box of 24 cupcakes for her birthday party. 2/3 of the cupcakes have sprinkles. How many cupcakes have sprinkles? So it's going to be my job to figure out how many cupcakes have sprinkles. Blank have sprinkles. And I'm going to pause right there because I want to think about, if I'm wanting to know how many cupcakes have sprinkles, I don't want to get a fraction of a cupcake. I want to get a whole number. So as I look at my answer choices, I do notice that they're all whole cupcakes. Whew, good thing. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to think about 24 cupcakes. 24 cupcakes represents all or the whole set of cupcakes that she has. 2/3 represents the part of the cupcakes that have sprinkles. Because remember, not all of the cupcakes have sprinkles, only part of them, only 2/3. So right now, I'm thinking about our cheer. Part of a whole, multiply. Part of a whole, multiply. So anytime we have part of a whole set, we need to be thinking about multiplying. So in this case, I have 2/3 part of the whole set, which happens to be 24. So I'm going to draw a quick sketch of this. And as we did on Picture Perfect, we took the denominator 3 and we said, let's draw a whole picture and let's cut it into thirds. 1, 2, 3. And let's label these pieces. This is 1/3 of the group. This is 2/3 of the group. This is 3/3 of the group. And if I go a little fast for you, you can always pause the video to catch up. Now I'm simply going to count to 24 and I'm going to distribute them through my boxes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, got a little off there, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And if I want 2/3 of the whole set, then I would need all of the dots that are in this first box, and I would need all of the dots in the second box. That would be part of the whole set. So right now, I ought to be able to count those and get an answer. I also want to think about a quick estimate to see if that's reasonable. Because when I think about 2/3, 2/3 is almost a whole. Or 2/3 is greater than the fraction 1/2. And half of 24 would be an amount that is greater than the number 12. So we would be looking for an amount that is greater than 12. So as I quickly look at my answer choices, do you see something that we could quickly get rid of? That's right, boys and girls. You would not want to pick the answer 8. The answer 8 is less than our half value of 12. And we wouldn't want to pick number 12 either, because that's exactly half, and we know 2/3 is more than half. So now what I can do is I can do two things. I can go back over here and I can set it up 2/3 part of 24. I can multiply this out to get my answer, or I could simply set up my part over total until I get a denominator, a total equal to 24. You do that now, find your answer, circle it, and make sure that it is reasonable compared to your estimate.